What's up, losers? Are you ready to learn some Cantonese with me? If you're looking for a textbook answer, if you want proper training, this is not the channel for you. I'm here to teach you how to survive in the Cantonese culture. So here we go. Today's lesson, we're going to learn how to say none of your fucking business in Cantonese. You might want to use that sometimes when people are asking questions that you don't feel like you want to answer because you don't owe anyone an answer, alright? So the first way to say it is 关你撚事. Simple. 4 characters. Okay, repeat after me. 關你撚事. 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 Quan means relating to, according to, about. So when you hear 關係, that means relationship. 關於, that's about. 你, a little bit of and sound. 你 means you. 你, you. 撚, penis. 事, business, incident, problems. So altogether, 關你撚事 is how you say none of your fucking business. We want to add some attitude, alright? Because in Cantonese, if you don't have attitude in your words, we may not know what you're actually meaning. Sometimes you say it just like how you think it. Sometimes you say it in a sarcastic way, right? So, you can say 關你咩事啫? 關你咩事啫? The Z at the end is like a question, but also like sarcastic way. Maybe you're trying to be annoying, but not too bitchy. You're just saying, why do I have to tell you? Why do I have to tell you? 關你咩事啫? Without a smile. 關你咩事啫? 關你咩事啫? Sometimes people just have no boundaries at all. They ask whatever comes to their mind, even that's totally none of their business, right? They will ask you, do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend yet? How's your academic result this year? Do you want to get pregnant? And why not? Excuse me? That's some personal issue and I don't want to share about it. 關你咩事啫? That's how you use it. If you don't want to use the dirty word, you can say 關你叉事呀? 關你叉事呀? Even more anger. 關你叉事呀? Slow it down. 關你叉事呀? At the end also serve as a question mark or sometimes an exclamation mark. But most importantly, in this situation, we're trying to make that person who asked the question to think, yeah, why do I ask that question? That's embarrassing. That's wrong of me to do. So we ask them, 關你叉事呀? 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 Here you go. If Cantonese is your second or third language, don't worry, I got you. I know how difficult to learn a new language from zero. To be honest, there are lazy and arrogant people thinking they can just rely on Google Translate when they travel. That's their choice, but you're here because you want to improve yourself, right? That's why you want to subscribe to my channel and watch more videos to learn how to speak Cantonese. Don't feel like you are an outsider just because you want to but unable to speak a new language. It's a process. You don't just drink water and feel like I am forever hydrated. It's a progress. You need to learn, you need to exercise. You don't know what you will experience until you actually get there. Learning a new language is never easy, so you might as well just give up now. But if you want to learn, if you want to improve yourself, the door is open for you. Many opportunities are waiting for you. Subscribe to Bitches Cantonese. See you next time.